So this is just going to be a quick unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. This is another little steal I picked up on the Prime Day. So I paid 37 quid for this. And the reason I wanted this was it allows you to ride your motorbike with the DJI Osmo Action 4 without having to open the little side panel to plug a USB receiver in, therefore rendering the camera not waterproof. So with this and the Osmo Action 4, you can pair one DJI microphone via Bluetooth only, so you don't need a receiver at all. You can only do one, mind. Say if you were riding your motorbike and you wanted to talk while you ride and also record, say, the exhaust note with another one. If you wanted to do that, you would need the receiver and plug that into the USB socket. So I don't really plan to do that. I really just want to vlog every now and then, like moto vlog you might want to call it. It's just nice to have for 37 quid. You can't really go wrong. So let me get this unboxed and I'll just quickly show you what you get. I'm assuming the microphone and that. In typical DJI fashion, everything's very nicely packed. It all came in this thing. So you just get a product information thing here. A nice little kind of polyester bag. And everything's kept in here, so let me just get that opened. So I'll go through each thing individually. You get a typical DJI USB-C cable, nice. You get two of these dead cats, one black, one grey, so you can use whichever you want, and that just clips on top of the mic. You get the mic itself, which is absolutely tiny. A lot smaller than I thought it was actually going to be. I would say it's about the size of a 50p coin, maybe a bit smaller than that. But yeah, not nice and discreet. It also comes with a small magnet here, which is really handy because you can stick that on the inside of your helmet and then that just kind of attaches like that. And then you just have your little charge base here, again with the USB slot right there, and then the carry case. So yeah, that's basically it. Just a quick look around, an unboxing of the Mic Mini. So in some future videos I'll use it and record some audio. I've got a bunch of AliExpress stuff coming as well to use with the camera, just a bunch of mounts and a carry case, so stay tuned for that. They should be here in a couple of days, so I'll see how they compare with the official DJI products. So cheers.